So I got here this new bike light set for my bicycle. Comes with a 200 lumen LED light and adjustable beam size, water, dust resistant, innovative LED technology. Not sure what that means. But then it has quick release system here, so it doesn't get stolen. You can see this on the picture. So, but now, yeah, let's open this thing up and let's have a look inside. Yes, first we see here this card, and so this says it actually comes with a coupon code. So in case you want to buy this too, then I am posting the link to Amazon below, and you can use this best team coupon code, then you get a 10% discount. So that's pretty cool. So now here we got this flashlight here, the headlight. You can remove this just from the holder that you attach to your bicycle. Here, this is how you can attach this here. There's this little screw. You take this out and then put this over the handlebar and then put the screw back in. It also supports different thicknesses here of handlebars. That's pretty cool. And so now this pretty much looks just like a regular flashlight at this point. Here there's one LED here right in the center, and then you can adjust here the headlight. You can adjust the beam a little bit by screwing this forward, or you screw it backward. Okay. And then let's see here. So you can read what this says here. Now here on the back we have the power button. There's 3 different functions here that this power button supports, and then here is also the cover here for the battery compartment. And you take out this battery holder. There's space for 3 AAA batteries. See this here? Not much else going on in there. So let's just put this back in. So here, and as I said before, here there's 3 different scenarios for the light. So high beam and low beam, and then the flashing functionality. Now let's have a look at the rear, at the warning light here. Also comes here with the bracket for attaching it to your bicycle. And then here there's this little lever so that you can take off the light. Take the light off when you leave your bike someplace. Here you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs total in there. And here's the on-off button. I think this also comes with different functions, just like the headlight. And then here you just pry this off with your fingernail in order to get to the battery compartment. See here, there's space for 2 AAA batteries, one on top and one on the bottom. And then you just put this back on here, right? Yep. And yeah, so this is already it. So don't forget here the coupon code in case you want to get this too. Check out the link below. Yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.